Confirming safety protocols are engaged.
X-ray sequence initiated. Monitoring the 6AL4V billet for anomalies.
Analyzing structural uniformity, the system routes the premium material for the F-16 Viper, while others are designated for secondary components. The small titanium blanks are poured into the industrial tumbler along with ceramic media. The rapid tumbling provides a control.
Laser alignment is showing 0 deviation on the leading edge.
Confirmed. The fastening sequence is holding steady at 98%.
The audio is characterized by the sounds of a modern factory environment. There is the persistent whirring and humming of machine.
The Block 70 Viper demands absolute precision. The ejection seat rails must be flawless for pilot safety.
All teams, Process A is active. The transport platform is moving. Ensure the path to the testing bay is completely clear.
Pressure differential is climbing steadily. We're passing 30,000 feet.
Affirmative. Structural strain remains within green limits.
Pressure and strain are holding with eye tolerance.
Confirmed. Temperature logs are stable. We have a pass.
Excellent. Certifying Process A.
With the latches disengaged, the canopy is lifted. The technician now inspects the seal for any signs of
Clear the area, moving the Viper to the integration bay.
Confirmed. Keep it steady. Almost there.
The robotic scanner meticulously checks the F-6 surface, ensuring the UAE...
Process A is finalized. Initiating storage sequence.
Roger that. Door opening now.
The industrial cycle for the F-16 Block 70 is complete. We now transition to process B, where smaller precision machining.
The CNC lathe rapidly spins the titanium blank, as the carbide tool meticulously carves the internal bore. Process B utilizes a focused plasma beam within the vacuum chamber to apply a durable ceramic layer, essential for reducing friction and enhancing longevity. A batch of newly assembled high-pressure titanium hydraulic actuators moves rapidly along a specialized conveyor toward the performance testing station.
A high-pressure titanium hydraulic actuator is automatically placed inside a specialized vacuum-sealed bag containing
Manifest confirmed. Secure the load.
Easy on the starboard side. Watch the clearance.
Confirmed. Engaging stabilization clamps. The vacuum-sealed VCI packaging is carefully opened, revealing the polished titanium actuator.
A little higher on your side, gently.
Okay, holding steady now. Is the alignment good?
Almost there. Push it forward slowly.
As the Viper banks sharply, the control surfaces make rapid, high-load adjustments. It is the high-pressure titanium drum.
As you can see, the hydraulic pressure remained perfectly stable. 0 anomalies reported.
Excellent. The new actuator performed flawlessly.
The fluid is clear, confirming the titanium component is not generating excessive wear debris, a critical sign of long-term reliability.